Yo, what's up? Kamusta kayo guys? How are you? So, hopefully you're fine, your family is fine. Kamusta? Today, excited ako guys kasi bumili ako ng Samsung Galaxy Tab A. So, unboxing tayo ngayon. So, papakita ko. So, just now, ito yung bag na galing sa Excite Alganim. Binili ko kanina. So, ito yung loob niya. Galaxy Tab A. So, excited na akong buksan ito. So, proof na bilhin natin. Ito yung resibo. So, excited na akong buksan. So, makikita natin yung features dito sa likod. 32GB. LTE na siya. With 4G light. LTE din. 64-bit octa-core processor. Yung camera niya is 8MP. Yung memory niya is 2GB RAM. So, ang battery niya is 6,150 mAh. So, ang pinakamaganda dito is Dolby Atmos sound effect. So, kaya ko to pinili dahil sa sound effect niya. So, open na natin. Tabi muna natin to. So, nahihirapan ako. So, ito yung seal niya. So, do not accept if seal is broken. So, ito yung seal niya guys. So, kompleto siya. So, nahihirapan ng buksan. So, dalawa pala yung seal. Magkabilaan siya. So, one here. And the other is here on the side. So, tingnan natin hindi masira yung seal. Angat lang natin sa niya. Uy, nasira talaga. Yan na. Yun, natanggal na yung seal. So, ito, natanggal na. At saka ito. So, buksan natin. Yun. So, first, di ko alam kung ano to. Ito yung siguro kung code. So, ano natin to. Maganda yung cover. Pangalan Samsung. And then, yun. Ito na yung tab. So, fully covered siya. Then, it is wrapped by a cotton or something, ano to, na protected talaga siya. So, kung pwedeng pagkatapos gamitin, ibalik dito sa cover na to. So, maganda. So, silver color. Ito na nga yun. So, let's try to open up if it is charged. There's battery. Alright, it's working. Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Powered by Android. So, let's wait for it. Starting up. Samsung. Excited ako guys kasi ito yung gagamitin ko pag mag-start na kasi ako magla-live sa So, wait nyo kung may mga live ko guys. Manood po kayo ha. So, I think kailangan pa ng setup to. So, yan. So, it needs to be set up. So, it needs to have a English. I choose to have English United States. So, okay. Then, go. Then, check out some info to get started. So, I have read it all. Done. Policy. Just click, next. Wi-Fi, we skip the Wi-Fi. So, copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer apps, photos, Google account, and more. Don't copy. So, just a second as this said. Alright. So, hindi pala siya nakikita kasi ano. Yun na nga. So, Google services, policies, and more. Accept. So, pattern or password or anything. So, I choose a password. So, your password must contain at least 4 characters, including 1 letter. So,
nothing more than friends this whole time. Summertime's keeping rocks so innocent.
and so we're done guys for setting up. So, ito na yun. So, we have the apps. Nindot mo siya, oh. Excited! And of course, kailangan nandito yung charger niya. So, yung ano niya is charger lang. So, yun na guys. Thank you guys. Thank you sa panonood. Excited ako na mag-live na ulit. So, thank you. At pakisubscribe na rin sa video ko. Salamat.